Hi there and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to dive into something really exciting. Something that could totally change the way you think about forex trading. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Don't worry. We are breaking it down in very simplest way so that you can get a clear understanding of what's happening in the world of forex. So whether you are a complete beginner or just curious about how it works, then this is the perfect place where you can be. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. What exactly is forex trading? Well, imagine that you are traveling abroad and you exchange your local currency for the country's money. For example, if you are in India and you exchange rupees for US dollars, then boom, you just participated in forex trading without even realizing it. But hold on, forex trading is way more than just exchanging currencies for your vacation. People all over the world are actively buying and selling currencies in this massive global market to make profit. And it's huge. Trillions of dollars are exchanged every single day. That's right, trillions of dollars. This makes the forex the largest financial market in the world. Pretty cool, right? So now let's talk about how this actually works. So here is a quick example. Let's say that you think euro will increase its value as compared to US dollars. So you buy euros and wait for their value to rise. When they do, you sell the euros back for US dollars and you guessed it right. You made the profit. And the best part? Anyone with an internet connection can get this into action. This means that you can start trading right now from your home, your office or anywhere around the world. Okay, but what's so cool about forex trading that makes it so popular? Well, for one, it opens 24 hours a day and that's because it's a global market. When New York closes, Tokyo opens. So no matter if you are awake, there's always an opportunity to trade. This means that you can get involved at any time, whatever works for you. And the beauty of forex that it's constantly changing. Currency value shifts all the time due to things like global news, political events or economical reports. That's where the magic happens. These changes create tons of opportunities for traders to jump in, buy or sell and hopefully make a profit. Now you might be thinking that what actually causes currency's value to go up or go down? Well, a lot of things. For example, if a country announces great economical wealth, its currencies could rise because investors will want to invest there. But if a country is facing political instability or bad news, the currency might drop. So by understanding these shifts and knowing what's going on in the world, traders can predict how the market will move. Pretty exciting, right? So now, if you are feeling a little nervous about diving into forex trading, then don't worry. The best way is to get started by using a demo account. This is a risk-free way to practice trading. Learn how to read charts, understand currency pairs and make your first trade without even putting the real money online. Remember, consistency is the key. Even the pro starts somewhere. Just take one step at a time and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. So why should you even bother learning forex? Well, it's not about making money. It's about understanding the world in a new way. Currencies are a reflection of a country's economic health. So by learning forex, you will start to see global events through the lens of a financial market. It's like having a front row seat to how the world works. Alright, now that you have got a solid understanding of forex trading, so why not explore it further? Start small, practice with a demo account and remember, every expert was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more content like this. And we are here to guide you through the world of forex every step of the way. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you next time.